Video log number 1. First day at camp. We are only about a half mile down from the launch on an island. Pretty cool island. There's the river. I don't know if that's a good one. Buck, Ryan, and Steve are in the little shelter over there. I decided to check the radar on the phone. Hey, say hi, fellas. Video log. Make it a video log. Yep. The video. Yep. Technology. Anyway, it downpoured for about 35 minutes, and now it's just been steady raining. So I don't know. Wait another 15 minutes. Might be done here. Totally wasted our time making a fire because it rained. And yeah, that's what's going on. So I'll make another later, I guess. Southside Bank. Huge. I hope I'm getting there. Going Muscadet. River's moving faster today, I can edit it.
Almost got into an accident today. We almost had to get out the first aid kit.
Yeah, I was an idiot.
Jason saw a deer today. The closer we got to it, it was a stick stuck in the ground. But apparently it was walking at one point. Jason just shotgunned, I think, the first beer of your life. Is that true?
Yeah, I've never shotgunned a beer until now.
First ever shotgun.
I did a horrible job too.
So that's done.
Because I need a burger.
And yeah, that's it. That's all I got.
Alright. Day 3.
Did you play my plan?
Oh, I didn't do it yet, so you're the one.
Day 3. About 2 miles from where we need to go. Not as luxurious, but certainly doable. See, we're all camped nice and close together. Nice current running through here. You can tell the river's running pretty quickly. Buck's concerned over some of his items that are being sold at a garage sale at his parents' house. And we all want the shade because we're burnt pretty good through 2 days. Anything to add?
Rock lobsters.
Here, give me on camera because I don't even. I'm sure I was pretty burnt. There's Jason, burnt to a crisp.
I'm gonna shave.
Show the knees.
Oh,
You can tell the knees are pretty bad, and the feet.
Where are your Packer socks?
That's why I'm wearing shoes. That's why I'm wearing shoes and socks.
over and out.
Day 4. We're at our landing site, getting all packed up, waiting for the van to get here and pick us up. Jason is about 2.5 miles down that way at the next boat landing, getting picked up down there. Hadn't had enough of the river yet. Night 3 was a success. Had a lot of good time, shared a lot of good moments. Found that Steve snores very, very loud when he drinks. And Buck, Jason, and I stayed in the same tent. Pretty intense evening. So everybody's still got all their limbs. Most of us have all of our teeth. And we made it.
Made it.
Survived. Survival trip. 40 miles. Canoe. Paddle. Tense.
All right.
Pain.
Yes. Definitely aches and pains. Yeah.
Poison ivy on private areas. All sorts of stuff that happens on this trip.
Good call.
Give a fuck about your lifestyle. Give a fuck about a motherfucking lifestyle. Hey, I live through words, not metaphors, so I pass to be the rest of the freshmen. Play for talk, often the fame till it came like Pogart. Said true things. A whole new legion of some niggas aiming high past the